Good morning. Welcome to Education 406, Fall Term 1. I apologize for my voice, but I do want to make sure that I'm able to record a short video for you to talk through your syllabus and how to download and make a copy of your interactive notebook. So when you access your course through Blackboard, this is the home screen that you're going to see, and this will take you to any of your weekly announcements that I send. So if you click on this, it'll take you into that first week's announcement. The syllabus tab will take you into a link that will open the syllabus in a new tab. And we'll go through this in just a second, so I'm going to leave that tab open. Course contact information has, I move my picture so you can see my picture. Here is my information on how to contact me, as well as the help desk and Blackboard support if anything is not working in Blackboard. Your discussion board tab, it has its own tab, but you'll also be able to access that discussion board post through each weekly content folder. So each week on Monday, I will open up a new discussion board and a new weekly content folder. So you will not be able to necessarily see the coming weeks, but you will be able to access the discussion board either through the discussion board tab here or in your weekly content folder. So here you'll see our week 1 content folder and all of our learning outcomes for this week. And when you navigate into there, you'll see our discussion board post and a link to our interactive notebook. All of these other links here on the side are for your support, for researching, for some extra support if you need it for some of the reflections that you'll be writing. So just know that those are here. They're also available on your home screen. Have some information and policy work here. Here's that information on help desk and Blackboard support as well. So I do want to take just a second and go through the syllabus. I'm not going to read it all to you. If you've had me for a previous class, it's pretty similar. So here is my contact information. And although we are taking this class online together, I do not have a main campus office. So some of you before I may have met with on main campus, but I am now in St. Louis, Missouri. And so I do not have a main campus office. So if we need to meet to talk about course questions or work, then you will schedule a time through this link. When you click on that link, it will take you into kind of like my virtual calendar. So make sure that you're scheduling your time, what's available, so you're able to schedule yourself, and you'll tell me in your appointment booking what we need to talk about, what your question is. And also, if you take a look at the syllabus, it says that when you schedule an appointment, to let me know if it's just a phone call appointment or if you would like to have a conference call appointment, I can video call you. So I'm happy to do either one. The university mission and course description here. This is your required textbook, Strategies That Work. This is going to walk us through a variety of comprehension strategies for teaching students how to read and understand the text that they're reading. So this is a textbook. It is required and you will use it, and I do believe that it will become a resource when you're in your classroom. Here are student learning outcomes. and these will occur throughout our 8 weeks together. And these are the tasks and assignments that we will use to assess and check in on your understanding of those outcomes. Here is the attendance policy for online coursework. Part of your attendance points is that you get graded on your discussion boards, and you get 10 points per week, and you'll see that breakdown a little bit further in the syllabus. And something important to remember, communication, since we are all web-based and online, a lot of times emails and discussion boards and conversations are difficult to interpret. So just make sure that you are being professional in your communications in the discussion boards and emails and conversations as we go through these next 8 weeks together. Here are some expectations of you as well as expectations of me. And then the university integrity email policy, ADA statements. So if you have any questions about any of those, again, those are also on the home page of your course in Blackboard. Here are the in-task teaching standards. These are what we strive for you to master by the end of the program. And here is our schedule for the next 8 weeks. So for each week, I've identified your learning outcomes and then your themes and readings and assignments that you will do in order to show your understanding of this content and your learning outcomes. The book, again, is Strategies That Work. And so when you see STW, that's telling you that those are the chapters that you will read in your Strategies That Work text. So all 8 weeks of work are here. You will find that a lot of our work happens in discussion boards and happens in your interactive notebook. You have some additional assignments that you'll turn in, but a majority of your points will come from the interactive notebook, and a decent number of points from your discussion boards. So in looking at your grades, so interactive notebook has a different number of components that you will complete each week, and each week, therefore, is worth a different number of points. So I've established that here, and you'll also see it in your notebook. You will do a reading lesson, observation, and reflection. We'll talk about reciprocal teaching, reflections, close reading. You will complete a learning segment plan, which is like a 3 to 5 lesson kind of mini unit for reading comprehension. And your do nows, which are your discussion boards, are worth 10 points each week. You get 5 points for your post and 2.5 points per comment, and you are expected to make 2 comments to your peer posts. And again, if you are completing your work on time, you are getting your 10 points per week. Please make sure that you are paying attention to these 2 bullet points right here. Late assignments are always accepted. I will always take late work. I know life happens, and sometimes we need a couple of extra days, so I'm okay with that. But you need to know that for each day it is late, there are 2 points that are removed from your total score. Everything is due every Sunday at 11:59. So starting Monday, you would have 2 points off if it's turned in late. Tuesday would be 4 points off, and so on. So you have all week. I will open up the weeks on Monday, and you have until Sunday at 11:59 to submit that work. Please make sure your interactive notebooks, I will be able to see your work as you're completing it. For the other reflections and assignments, please make sure that you completely submit your assignments in Blackboard. So you should get a confirmation that it's been submitted. A lot of times I have people who are losing points because of late work, and their intention was to turn it in, but they never completely submitted and confirmed their upload, and so it never got to me until I questioned, and then by then they already lost points. So please make sure that you are completely submitting and confirming your submission for any work that's turned in through Blackboard or Turnitin. All right, so your interactive notebook, let's go back into our weekly content for week 1. So this link is going to take you into a template for your interactive notebook. So make sure that you have watched this video before you do that. And remember that you are going to make a copy. You are not editing the original file. And make sure that you are sharing with this email address. So Campbell does not have a faculty Gmail account, and we are using a Google document for our interactive notebook. So you will share it with my Gmail address. You follow that link, and it will take you into the document. And so before you do anything to this, you need to make a copy. So if you come up here to File, make a copy. You're going to rename it whatever you want to rename it. Just please make sure that you have at least your last name somewhere in the title. So I might title this Turner Education 406 INB, which is Interactive Notebook. In your Google Drive, you can organize it in whatever file you want to do it. And then you'll press OK, and it will create a copy of that for you. Then you can either go here to File and Share, or you can click this blue button up here, and it will prompt you to share. So the sharing permissions are whatever you're comfortable with. The only thing I will ever add to your notebook would be comments and feedback. So you can make it so that I can edit or comment or view. And so you will add my email address here. Remember, that's not the email address for Campbell. And once you add me in to share this with, you will press send. It will send me an email, and I will have a copy of that in my Google Drive. So you won't have to re-upload or re-email your notebook every week. As soon as you are making edits and changes to your notebook, I will see that on my end. So I will start checking your notebooks on Mondays following the week prior for you to have completed that work. So here you'll see it has a table of contents with just kind of a general list of what you're going to do that week, all the way through week 8. And then each week starts its own new page. So you have, in week 1, you have 4 tasks, and each task has a place for you to answer. Sometimes you'll upload a picture, sometimes you'll just type in a response, sometimes I may ask you to create an image or a table or something, so each one is a little bit different. But most of the time, these prompts in your interactive notebook will come from your chapter readings from your text. So this is your interactive notebook, and this will be where most of our work is happening. But keep an eye on your weekly content folders as those open every week, and I will send an email to start every week also through your Blackboard announcements to let you know kind of a checklist of things to do for that week. So if you have any questions, remember my contact information is here on the syllabus. Please feel free to reach out, and welcome to 406.